The purpose of this video is to show the basic steps of how to get into basketball and what you need to do in order to run the software efficiently. So the first thing first we're going to do is we're going to go into the command center here, this guy with the headphones on, and we're going to check in to command center. Now on a normal day it would say what game was playing today, so men or women basketball. It would show the representative, the DVSport rep's name and their phone number, and then it would ask you to put your name and your phone number and then log in. So that would be the first step that we would take, and we would do that 1.5 to 2 hours before tip. So if tip is at 11:30, we're going to be here 10:30 in the morning in order to check in so that we can test the software, check the system, and make sure everything is okay before today's game happens. Okay, after we check into Command Center, the next step we're going to want to do is select this green basketball replay icon, and that'll load us into our software. We're going to select either men's or women's games. For this example, we're going to use men's game. We're never going to want to use test mode. You should never go into test mode. The only reason you would want us to start today's game is when we're absolutely ready to start today's game. Anything else, any other time you use the green icon, go into start pregame. So we're going to go into start pregame. We're going to delete the drives, and I would check with the DVSport representative before we click delete all drives just to make sure that nothing is needed from this computer. We're going to hit continue. Okay, now this is very important. For pregame, we want to make sure that the visiting team is pregame. The home team can be correct, but we want to make sure that the visiting team is pregame. If we hit edit team name and put somebody's name in, like for example, we're playing North Carolina's playing Virginia, it would shoot it into game mode. We don't want to go into game mode yet, so we're going to go ahead and leave this in pregame mode.